Welcome to Kaanapali Beach Club Hotel in Maui, Hawaii. We're gonna take you on a tour so that way you can see how the resort looks like. But before anything else, make sure you hit that subscribe and like button and that notification bell as well.
We're here at Kaanapali Beach Club.
First up, we just arrived in Kaanapali Beach Club. And we're about to check in.
Check this out, it's pretty nice.
Make sure to check out our Maui, Hawaii travel vlog video on the description below. That way you can see what we did on our full Maui trip. We just checked in at the front desk and here's a 360 video of the hotel. Also check out our Maui food guide videos so you can see the foods that we ate during our trip.
We're here at the elevator now. We're about to go up.
I might feel a little dizzy.
Make sure to check out our Kaanapali Beach Club room tour video so you can see how the room looks like.
This is awesome!
Look at this waterfall.
We just changed and we're ready to head up the pool.
Look at this waterfall. Oh wow, the wave is like huge.
The pool is so big!
Yeah, look at that. Look at that.
And here's how the pool looks like.
There's like a whole room right there.
Another 360 for your viewing pleasure. We arrived late in the afternoon and there's quite a high tide.
High tide. Crazy. Walking along.
And here's more angles of the pool.
This is Kaanapali Beach Club. Check this out. Yeah. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah.
Finally, we're able to dip and we're starting to feel the Aloha spirit.
Unfortunately, the slide closed and we
This
really
is
wanted to go.
Kaanapali Beach Club, Maui.
Pool time is over and here's the view from the elevator. And here's a view from the 5th floor.
Kaanapali Beach Club.
Here's the pool during mid-afternoon. And they have a whole pond of koi fish. Well, we only see one right now. Haha! Here's Kaanapali Beach in the morning. It's low tide right now. Kaanapali Beach Club does have a game room for the young at heart, like us.
Thank you.
And they also have mini golf. Okay, check out this great shot coming right up.
Oh, hole in one! I captured it. Hole in one. Damn. Good job. Good game.
So that's how the resort looks like at land. Let's go check it out from up above. Check out these drone shots of Kaanapali Beach Club Resort. Here's the pool area. And here are the surrounding vicinities. Let's take a look at that again. Here's the stretch of Kaanapali Beach. I think this shot is a great angle so you can see the entire resort. And voila, there's the mini golf course. Here's the view of the pool again, and as you can see, it's totally beachfront. That pool, by the way, is heated. Looking like a pyramid from up above. I think what's important is that this resort does have beach access. I just love those banyan trees. make sure you book with us. We'll see you on the next video. Mahalo to you.